Hi, I'm Dari Franz, and today we'll continue with animation in VideoPad and we'll convert the still image into video by using pan and zoom effect. Let's see. Okay, this is our VideoPad project, and let's add the image. This is the image. Let's drag and drop it into timeline. Now I would like to change it a little bit to be better for video, like to remove those black sides. I click on image and went to effects and go to zoom and choose 16 by 9. Let's choose this please. Okay, I think this picture is better for video. And now let's click on it. Right click, effect, and choose another effect, pan and zoom. Okay, here you can see the rectangle. You can change its size and its place by holding left click of your mouse on it and sliding. Okay, you have to choose the frame in the beginning and the frame at the end. What is inside this rectangle will be your frame. So let's choose it. Let it be the frame at the beginning, the face of this man, and at the end will be like the face, the eye of this elephant. I will do the rectangle size smaller, like to focus more on the eye of the elephant. Okay, we choose the frame. Let's remove FX window and see. Everything is okay, but it's too fast. And to make it longer, you cannot just move the slider because it's not an image, this is a video. So you do right click on your video and choose change the direction, and here change the direction from half of second to 5 seconds, for example. And let's see now. Oh, I think it's nice. Yeah, it works. That's it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!